In this video, I'm going to show you how to use an action from an app. When you are in the Workflow Builder, start with clicking on the plus sign to see the list of actions. This will appear from the sidebar. There are a lot of actions that are in lots of colors. The yellow or gold ones are the app actions ones. Select one you would like to use, then proceed to add to fill in the form with the information that is needed. You will be able to use custom values as well when filling in this form. Once you have completed this form, don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom of the form. Now you can start on the next action. Let's learn how to use the response data from an action. This could also be referred to as the result of an action. Start with adding an action under the Marketplace action you just created. In this example, we are using a note action. Click on the Custom Values button to see a list of data you can use to dynamically fill in this note. You will see the Marketplace app response data. Use one of these values to make your note full of better information than the usual data found here. You can add your response data for a lot of actions like custom fields, custom values, SMS, email, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, DM, Google, My Business Messenger, tasks, notes, opportunities, internal notifications, and many more to come in the future. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any new ideas, recommendations, or you need some help, please reach out via our form and help widget.